Ashley, and today I'll be dyeing my hair this color. This is like the end product. This is after I did everything, but I dyed my hair brown. So I don't know, in this video I just kind of like showed the process and how I did it, and yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy it, and without further ado, let's get on to it. Okay, what's up guys? So today I'm dyeing my hair back to brown. We just have to brush it out first, so now my hair is all brushed out, so it just looks like this. Yeah, it's pretty good. Now we get on to the actual mixing of the dye and the conditioner and stuff.
So I'm using the 20 volume developer by Ion, and also the Ion demi-permanent hair dyes in both light and medium golden brown. You will also need gloves and a mixing bowl. Then I'm going to use all of the hair dye from both of the bottles, and then I'm going to add the developer, and I'm using the same amount of developer as hair dye, so it's half and half. And then you just mix it all together.
Now that the mixture is blended, as you can see, it's really yellow. I hope I got the right colors. I don't even know. Now we just put it in my hair, and we're just gonna like massage it in and then just kind of glide down and stuff. So yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Do you have a comb? Using a comb or a brush will help it blend in too.
Yeah.
Once my hair is completely covered in dye, I usually just let it sit in for about over an hour. So pro tip, don't use your hands to mix in the dye. It will dye your hands. Then you take a shower, and this is what my hair looked like. It was pretty cool. Once my hair dried off, I looked like a total emo. It was kind of cringe, but I was kind of living for it, so.
So this is the end product. I think it turned out amazing. I love it. It's interesting to be a brunette again, but I don't know, I like it. And I like how even, yeah, I messed up on some of like the dyeing parts, but it kind of looks cool with like how you can see like kind of partial blonde in some areas. Like I think that adds like a little like character. I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. And until then, I hope that you're having a great day, evening, night, morning, wherever you are. I hope that you're safe and you're having fun. I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye guys.
And I'm here